Science fun, science fun. Who's ready for some science fun? Science fun, science fun. Fun for everyone. Woo! Hello, little explorers. Welcome to some science fun. We've got a little bit of something for everybody, okay? So there's just a few things as we are counting down the school year, right? The school year is almost over. I can't believe how fast it went. Crazy time. So I thought maybe we can do some science experiments and we can look at them and see how they end up during the last week of school. What do you guys think, little explorers? Fantastic, fabulous idea. All right, without further ado, the first experiment involves us doing a little bit of planting. As you can see, I have some soil and I also have a starter, planted a seed in here, a carrot seed, about a couple weeks ago. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. So, and I have something special though. We're going to do an experiment about the way plants need light. Did you know that plants need water and they need light in order to thrive and survive and thrive? All right, so we're going to plant our plant. We're going to replant it in here because it's got a nice little hole for when we water it. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. And then we have a special box. All right, this special box is going to have some shelving. You see, I already started it. I'm going to finish the box and I'm going to put another shelf right here. And the idea is that the plant is going to try desperately to get to the light at the top of this hole. We're going to paint this whole thing black, make it so dark, close our plant up in this lid, and then watch it grow to the top because it is in desperate need of sunlight. You'll understand that more. All right, so for today, I wanted to show you the materials and we're gonna check in soon and you're gonna see how I painted the box and we started to grow the plant towards the top. All right, so I'm gonna put this in here, put that in here, see how it's gonna grow, and close you up. But I'm gonna paint it. When I come back, you'll see that it is painted. So that is one of our experiments that we will be tracking until the end of the school year. All right, move you over here and scooch all this stuff down. What do we have here? Well, I'll tell you. We have 5 different liquids, because they're wet, they move around, they're liquefied. All right, 5 different liquids that you could find in the kitchen. We have lemon juice, milk, water, oil, and vinegar. Well, what are we going to do with these liquids? Well, I have a crazy idea. We're going to take these gummy bears, oh, look at our gummy bears, and we're going to put them in the liquids. Why would we do that? Because we're scientists and we want to see what happens next. So we're going to put gummy bears in each of the cups. The cups, you see how they're labeled? They're labeled like this one says lemon juice, etc., milk, water, oil, vinegar. We're going to put the gummy bears in these cups and we're going to put the cups up on the shelf and we are going to see what happens to the gummy bears over time. Now, you have a hypothesis that you need to come up with it. What? Mrs. King, what do you mean by hypothesis? I mean, you need to make an educated guess because we have a question here. What will happen to the gummy bears when we put them in the different liquids? Will the gummy bears all be the same? Meaning, at the end of a couple weeks, will the gummy bears be the same in the lemon juice, in the milk, the water, the oil, the vinegar? Will they be the same? Or will they be different? Same or different? That is the question that we have. What is your guess? Do you think they'll be the same or do you think they'll be different? Let's write that on our, whoopsies, I disappeared for a minute. That's okay, because I came back. Let's write that on our board. All right, different. Will the different liquids or will they be the same? Do you have a guess? Do you have a hypothesis? If you do, write it in the comments and then we will put that on our science board. All right, so now we're gonna drop 3 gummy bears each in the lemon juice, 3 gummy bears in the milk, 3 gummy bears in the water, 3 in the oil, and 3 in the vinegar. All right, so we'll check back from time to time and see where we are with things. All right, now we're gonna scooch this stuff out of the way. We're gonna get ready to say goodbye, but I thought that it might be a little bit fun to see the baking soda vinegar reaction at the end of our time together here at Science Fun. All right, so I had some old oranges, that are past the time, and I'm not going to eat them. No one in my family is going to eat them. So I said, let us sprinkle some baking soda. Look at the oranges. They still smell good, but they are starting to look a little weird. So we're going to put some baking soda on these oranges. All right. And next, we're going to put a little bit of color. I have food coloring, guys. We're going to put some red in this vinegar. All these cups have vinegar in them. We're going to put green in this cup of vinegar. We're going to put blue in this cup of vinegar. And we're going to put yellow in this cup of vinegar. All right, now to see the reactions. Let me move this chair out of the way. Okay, are you ready? All right, here's the first one. Let's see what it does. Oh, fizzle, fizzle, yeah. All right, let's do, oh, my oranges are toppling over. So you know what? It doesn't even matter. All right, I'm gonna hold it this way. Let's try the blue. Oh, nice fizz. Do you hear that? Dude, I love the fizz. I know I'm getting to my dining room table. That's okay. All right, let's try the green vinegar. Oh, nice and fizzy. And last but certainly not least, the yellow.